Stressful, resistant thoughts don't have to be your habitual way of reacting to your world. By practicing thoughts of minimal resistance, you'll eventually become the tranquil person you wish to be. The Invisible Force by Wayne Dyer. Okay, Spirit Scholars, so one thing that I want to do and get out of the way is apologize for yesterday. I edited the video. I thought it was all on point, but when I watched it after I had published it, I realized that the subscribe sign was like right over my face with a big old happy face over it, and that you guys might not have even been able to see some of the products clearly. So I apologize for that. The good thing is that it is right in alignment with why I chose to do Vlogmas in the first place, which was to become a better content creator. And so even though I actually took the time to edit that video and all those good things as best as I could, somehow that just happened. And it has taught me to be that much more precise when I edit and to check and double check before I publish. So again, I apologize for that big old subscribe that was in front of my face while I was doing my Sally Beauty product haul. But I'm grateful because I learned a lesson from it, and I hope at the very least, after watching that thing in front of my face, you guys subscribed. Did you subscribe? I know you subscribed after all of that, okay? And so if you did, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. You should have said, let me just go ahead and subscribe. She done jacked this thing up. Let me subscribe for her. She must really want us to subscribe. So thank you, thank you, thank you if you did. And if you didn't, I am imploring you to do that right now, because PhD and MeTV is all about pursuing a higher degree in ourselves, in this life journey, on this earth school planet, okay? And so that's what we're doing here, and prayerfully and praisefully doing it, girded by the teachings of the master teacher of love, okay? And for me, that is Yeshua Christ, and I'm excited about that. And so as I do that, I invite you to join me, and when you join me, you become a member of the Spirit Scholars community, okay? Because that's what it's all about. We are spirit made flesh, prayerfully doing this thing together in love, okay? And so with that said, Spirit Scholars, I'm going to get into this review, okay? It is a review of various different products. And some of these products, I just want to go ahead and be able to dispose of. So you guys are gonna get quite a few products today, all right? So strap on in, here we go. All right, Spirit Scholars, so the first thing is these protein drinks. Now, one of the things that I really like to do when I go to Kroger and they have these little woohoos, I feel that way when I see these, especially if it's something that I like. I'm like, woohoo, great deal. Okay, so these came from Kroger, and they are the 1915 organics. Okay, and this one was a plant-based protein coffee. That's why I like these, because they're plant-based. And this one was a carrot, apple, and lemon juice. All right. The protein, you got 12 grams of protein, and it was 150 calories for 12 fluid ounces. And then for the carrot juice, you got 12 fluid ounces, 120 calories, 19 grams of sugar, so a whopping amount of sugar, and 1 gram of protein, all right? But you're drinking this for, you know, your vitamin A primarily. Your carrots, you're taking that for vitamin A, and that is 660% of vitamin A for that day, okay? So awesome, awesome, awesome. Listen, you can make both of these yourself at home, all right? But do we always have time? No. So I'm gonna give the 1915 organics a complete and big thumbs up. If you see them, and especially if you're on the go, why don't you go ahead and pick one up for yourself? You will be glad you did. This one for protein, this one for, if it's carrot, vitamin A, but they have different vegetable and fruit flavors. Go ahead, try it, you won't be mad, all right?